besties. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, depending where and when you be watching this video. Okay, welcome back to the channel, besties. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a brand new vlog. Okay, welcome back to the channel, my loves. How are we all doing? Okay, I know we are all good. Okay, thank you so much, besties. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for coming. Thank you for clicking to watch. Okay, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like the video, and please, if you're just joining us, if it's your first time of coming, please click on the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Okay, thank you all, my loves. So besties, today is Friday. Today's date is Friday. Today is the 22nd of November 2024. Okay, today is 22nd November 2024. Welcome back to a new vlog. Okay, so my loves, I have quite one or two things that will be happening in this vlog, and I hope you stay tuned. Okay, stay tuned and watch to the very end. Okay, support your girl. Okay, please watch the very end and drop your comment for me. Okay, quick one, besties. Today is Friday and the kids came back from school. They've had their baths, so they did okay, they gave them, I saw a party pack in their bags. Yeah, they did birthday in their school. So according to the school calendar and everything, the way they do their things, every Friday happens to be the day you celebrate your kid's birthday. If you have any birthday you want to celebrate, if it's your child's birthday, or yeah, your child's birthday, it's your child's birthday that you want to celebrate. If the birthday is on Monday or Sunday, they have to shift it or keep the items you got for the kids till on Friday. So they do celebrate their birthdays on Friday in their school, and today happened to be one of those days again that my kids came back with party packs. Okay, lovely parents thought or deem it right and fit to like celebrate their sons or daughters birthday with the fellow children or his or her classmates. And my twins came back with their party pack. Yeah, the twins, they are in transition class, and both of them, they're not in the same class. One is in A and another one is in B, but it happened that two kids celebrated their birthday in each of their classes today. So the two of them came back with party packs. Okay, so I'll be showing you what is inside these party packs that they brought home with them. Okay, so let's see the amazing items. My kids have been really getting party packs, though I normally celebrate their birthday if it's time for their birthday. As you can see, the last I celebrated my first daughter's birthday because it was in school, it was doing school section, so I celebrated their birthday. But the twins, I've not celebrated their birthday in school. Their birthday is August, and that August they normally go for midterm break. Meet as in normally go for holiday, so no school at all till like September. So but I hope that one of these days I'm going to like either shift their birthday or to make sure that it, or do something before the school vacates, or try to go on their holidays for them. Okay, as well. But my first daughter, she has celebrated her birthday in school twice. My last baby that just joined this term, hopefully by next year, because he just joined next year September, I'll be doing something for the kids as well. So these are the party packs they brought back. Okay, this and this. So let's unbox and see what they have. Okay, and I'll be unboxing these things alongside with my kids. Okay, because they are here with me as well. So we all are going to do the unboxing together. So let's see what they gave them in the party pack today. Okay. Yeah, that's that. Wow, who is this?
Electrical.
Kenechukwu did his birthday. Wow.
Look at the back.
Wow, this is so thoughtful. It's so nice. Courtesy parents. Wow. Exercise book. Okay, what else? Wow, a color. Okay, this a color. They gave you colors. Wow, we have about 12 colors here. Okay, that's very, very thoughtful. What else? Wow, they gave you a bracelet. Wow, look at there's a bracelet in a party pack. Ooh, it's so good. Wow, this is very thoughtful. That's nice. A pencil to write on your book. You write on your book. A pencil. Wow, that's nice. What else? A lollipop. Wow, this is so nice. What else? Eraser. Wow, Netochukwu has a new eraser. This is so thoughtful. So nice. What else? Sharpener. Sharpener. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. Clap for. Yay. So they gave her a lollipop, a pencil, eraser, sharpener, a bracelet, color and exercise book. This is so thoughtful. So nice. Wow. What do you say to Kenechukwu?
Thank you.
Okay, and what? Happy birthday, Kenechukwu. What do you say to Kenechukwu?
Thank you. Happy birthday.
Okay, yeah. Kenechukwu, more blessings and more birthday to celebrate. That's so nice. Okay. Wow, all these are so beautiful. Let's see what Chinua, your brother. Oh, wow. Okay, wow. Hey, they gave you biscuit, cookies, pure bliss. He got this in his own. Wow. Lollipop. Okay, candy. Okay, this is so nice. Wow, can you see that? A cup for drinking water. Mwah, 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 mwah. Wow, it's so beautiful. So beautiful. It's so nice. Wow, my Bina. Wow, this is so nice. So nice. Who did birthday in your class?
Olivia.
Olivia. What do you say to Olivia?
Thank you, Olivia.
And what?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Olivia. Thank you all. Thank you so much. So, besties, as you can see, the kids did their unboxing themselves, okay? So, thank you, Kenechukwu. Thank you, Kenechukwu Ufoka. Yes, Ufoka Kenechukwu, thank you so much for this birthday gift. Thank you. More money to your parents' account, more birthday to celebrate in Jesus' name. Amen. So, Olivia, happy birthday to you. More years to celebrate and more money in your parents' account, okay? So, besties, these are what they got, okay? It's not easy. At least I thank God they are there to celebrate with other children, and also other kids are also there to celebrate with them, which is really thoughtful, which is what is really important, because things like this help children gain confidence, help them know who they are, and build them physically, yeah, and mentally as well. So super excited for them as well, okay? So today I got a when I went to their school to like pick them up. Yeah, when I went to pick them up, and in the morning when I went to like drop them off in school, they were sharing a ticket, a raffle ticket. Yeah, they said this raffle ticket, priceless hair. Yeah, I don't know if you know priceless hair. If you're hearing of those in Nigeria, are supposed to know how priceless hair, priceless hair. Okay, so she happened to be one of the parents in my kids' school where my kids are currently schooling. So she bought out this ticket to share to parents to come to her raffle to our Xmas Christmas sales. It's like a Christmas, like a hair bazaar, because she's into hairs. You know, priceless hairs. It deals with hairs, okay? So it's like a hair bazaar, and they gave each parent, if you are going to attend, you get a ticket. So this is like a ticket, and as well as a raffle draw. It's completely free. They said 5 million worth of gifts. Queen May, yes, Queen May will be there live and direct. She's one of our ambassadors, okay? As you can see her picture, I don't know if you can see it, okay? So I got two. Ask me how I got these two. So I got two. Ask me how I got these two. These two when I went when I went to, like, look at this. I got this one in the morning to for drop off, and this for pick up. Pick up. They didn't even ask me if I've got in the morning. They just gave me again. I collected. I just hope I'll be chance to actually attend, okay? But I don't know. I'm actually looking forward to something like this where I can actually like purchase hairs for myself. But I don't know if I'll be chance, especially now that exams are around the corner. So I don't know if I have that luxury time to actually attend. And it's actually taking place tomorrow. Tomorrow is Saturday and Sunday, okay? 23rd. They'll go to 23rd to 24th November, okay? At Opera Square in Enugu here, okay? So this is my ticket if I'm attending, but I don't know if I'll be attending. So priceless hair, Queen May, the Queen May will be there live and direct as well, okay? Thank you, besties. So besties, I'm really loving this my hair. I'm really loving it, okay? Like I added bead, as you can see, added bead to it.
You give me life, getting so loud. I feel your love taking over. On a good day, I be loner. See what you make me discover. Girl, you don't change my persona. The revelation is another. All the pressure I've been under. Why I called you, Ngozi? God don't bless me, Ngozi. No, this love is I love it. The love it where you show me. Private lounging in Paris. With expensive from service. No one make me do like this. Girl, I got you, no worries. No worries, you did do me wow. Scatter my internal. Baby, I'm inside. Don't killing me, kitana. Yeah, I love is down. My attention is ilala. Every note is silent. Don't killing me, kitana. You did do me wow. Scatter my internal. Baby, I'm inside. Don't killing me, kitana. Yeah, I love is down. My attention is ilala. Every note is silent. Don't killing me, kitana. I know you're waiting around, asking it to you. In my Panamera, hola. I'm levitating, I feel like to see when you whisper la copera. The thing you put for this your girl, baby. My heart and my soul on love, and I wanna go crazy with you. Spend the night till the sun come up. Let's do it all for love. There's nothing for any couple. I never wanna lose this. Say you rock it on. This must be love. You did do me wow. Scatter my internal. Baby, you're inside. It's killing me, kitana. Yeah, I love is love. My attention is ilala. Every note is silent. Killing me, kitana. You did do me wow. Scatter my internal. Baby, you're inside. Killing me, kitana. Yeah, I love is love. My attention is ilala. Everything you do me, I like. My best friend, the love of my life. I know fit do without. I bet you won't make it back in the house to hold on to. Really no fear, I did for you. I go run the matter for me and you. Make I be the reason we living through love. Why I call you mercy? God don't bless me, mercy. No, this love is kind loving. You love it when you show me. Private lounging body with expensive from surface. No one make me feel like this. Girl, I got you, no worries, no worries. You did do me wow, wow. Scatter my internal, baby, you're inside out. You killing me, kitana. Yeah, I love is wow. Attention, if you lala. If you know this,
So besties, I'm done cooking. Okay, I just finished cooking now. I made stew, white rice, and fried plantain for my family. I've dished out the kids' food. They're already eating as we speak. Okay. Wow, your girl is super tired. Okay, I'm super tired. Yeah, there's something I want to show you all. Okay, I got a new supplement, though it's my first time of actually getting this one. But the Nigeria in me, the economy is not smiling, so I just went for something that is within my budget. Okay, one I'm actually using is not this particular. Let me show you guys. Okay, this is the one I'm using. I'm using this vitamin C immune boost. Okay, this one I'm using, but the Nigeria in me, coupled with the economic situation of the country, is not smiling at all. So I just have to go for what is in my budget. Last time I bought this, it was less than 4,000 naira. Yeah, But this last one, sorry, yeah, because this is my second container of actually this product. So the first time I actually got it, I started vitamin C. It was less than 4,000 naira, but this one I got it for 4,000 plus. I'm not very very sure exactly how much, but it was 4,000 plus. So let me go and restock. No, I love buying things. I know one or two things, or I get like extra of that particular item and just keep just in case. This one is there is still remaining. Let me show you. It's still remaining. I don't know if you can see it. As you can see, you see, you see, you see, yeah, it's still remaining. Okay. Oops. Don't know what I did. So I just had to like get more. I think it's meant like either 10 or more than 10 inside. And I went to get some things from the pharmacy, and I said to them, okay, let me get it just in case. Never can, there are things I keep adding and increasing, stuff like that. And I went to the pharmacy to purchase it. They are telling me 5,000 plus. 5,000 plus. I said, no, do you have another product? They say I should choose from those ones that they don't know. That if I bring it, those scan it. So when I choose, I decided to go for this one. This one is pro life. They said it's that I was asking them, is it vitamin C? Is it the same thing as? They say yes, the same thing. Just like a different company and different brand. I said, okay, as long as vitamin C, you can see it's still very very C. Okay, so I got it. This one contains zinc, selenium, vitamin D3. But this one is vitamin C 1,000 gram. I don't know how many grams is this one. This one should be, I don't really know. They didn't write it here. I don't know how many grams, but it has zinc, selenium, and vitamin D3. So, and I got this one for 3,000 plus. Either 3,000 or 4,000 naira. I got this one. I just keep it in my house. So I got a new supplement. So since the country is something else, so let's go for another one. I'll be pairing the two of them together. This one has zinc. This one has zinc. Okay, I'll mix it together. What I got, I just finished. I'm seriously. So besties, I just finished doing what I'm doing. Okay, I just like show you all about this new. I think it's too bright. Let like show you this new supplement I got. Okay, vitamin C, as you can see. So that's that for that. Okay, so I'm just coming out from the kitchen now. I need to like step out quickly to like get fruit for the kids. Okay, for this week they'll be entering exam. I don't know either this week or next week. I really don't know. Okay, and me myself, I'll be starting my exam this week. Yes, this week I'm starting my exam. Oh, so it's not really easy. I even need to like revise my book as well. Okay, so I just need from the kitchen and I've settled the kids. Okay, they are eating right now. I don't owe anybody. I'll just step out now to get fruits for them that they'll use for this week. Okay, which we've entered because today is Sunday. So besties, thank you so much for watching. Please, if you've watched up to this part, please don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up, like the video, comment, share my video if you can. Please support your girl. Okay, support me, share my video if you can, and I'll be really grateful. Okay, from the end of this video. Okay, please, if it's the first time of actually coming or seeing this face or clicking to watch, please don't make it your last. Click on the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Okay, thank you besties. I love you all so very much. Thank you so much for always coming back to click. Thank you for always coming back to watch. Okay, God bless you for me. Wow. Let me quickly step out. Okay, so besties, I will see you guys all in my next video. Okay, do stay safe. I'll see you all in my next video.
Everything you do me, I like. My best friend,